right now. See the car? But that's the car right there. It's coming around, turns around. I'm not paying attention right now. Just getting the dust of leaves. Here he just pulls up right on the other side of the tree. I look up, see him?
In the next 20 seconds, bar owner Tommy Gage will fight off the masked gunman, protecting his bar and his wife.
I just hit his hand with the broom right there. He took one shot, takes another shot.
Thankfully, the shots missed, but just around the corner, more shots were being fired. Tommy's friend was helping him clean up when he, too, was approached by a masked gunman.
He took a couple shots right there, the other guy.
His friend took off on foot, and that's when the two brazen bandits decided to bolt.
My wife was working. I didn't want them ended her.
Tommy and his wife Janice own O'Malley's Irish Pub, the target of Tuesday morning's attack. They say this is the first criminal behavior they've seen in the area.
Told me to get out of the way, and I kind of took my broom in my head and kind of hit his wrist, trying to get the gun away.
He didn't knock the gun out of the man's hands, but did crack the broom. But broom or no broom, these gunmen were up against a champion, a U.S. Olympic boxing champion who isn't really familiar with backing down.
There's the car right there.
After all this, Janice says she's proud of her husband, and to the would-be robbers.
Really, you're going to kill people for a couple $100 or $100? Yeah, that's what's scary to me.